If your phone gets lost or dies today, how many photos, documents, and passwords do you lose forever? In this video, I'll show you an app that gives you 20 gigabytes of free encrypted cloud storage, plus backup, file sharing, and even secure chat, all in one place. The app is called Mega, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you should use it, how to set it up, and the biggest mistake you must avoid so you don't lose your account. Welcome to Must Download Apps, where I test Android and iOS apps and tell you which ones are actually worth installing. Today we're looking at Mega, a cloud storage app focused on privacy and encryption. Let's start with what it does, then I'll walk you through setup, real use cases, and the pros and cons. Let's start simple walkthrough. Here's a quick step-by-step of how I am using Mega on my phone. For free version, you only need to download Mega, but if you want more paid features like VPN and Password Manager, then you must download Mega VPN and Password Manager separately from Google Play and Apple Store. Step 1. Install and sign up. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, search for Mega Cloud Storage, and install the app. Open it, tap Create Account, enter your email, a strong password, and verify via email. Remember, Mega cannot reset this password, so use a password manager or write it somewhere safe. Step 2. Turn on camera and folder backup. The app will usually ask if you want to enable camera uploads. Turn this on if you want all new photos and videos to upload automatically to a camera uploads folder in Mega. You can also go into the backup section and add more folders, like documents or WhatsApp images, for one-way backup. Step 3. Upload important documents. Next, manually upload your most important files: ID scans, travel documents, contracts, or work PDFs. Tap the plus button, choose Upload, and select the files or folders from your phone. Organize them into folders like Personal, Work, and Travel so they're easy to find later. Step 4. Share a file securely. To share something, long press the file, choose Get Link, and decide whether to include the decryption key with the link or send the key separately. You can paste the link into email, chat, or even Mega Chat if both of you use Mega. Let me quickly break down the main features you'll use every day. Number 1. 20 gigabytes free encrypted storage plus 5 gigabytes install bonus for new users equals 25 gigabytes free. When you create a free Mega account, you currently get 25 gigabytes of cloud storage with always-on encryption. That's enough for thousands of photos, important PDFs, and some videos. If you need more, there are paid plans going up into terabytes, starts from $5.85 per month only. Number 2. Automatic phone backup. On Android and iOS, Mega can automatically back up your camera photos and videos, selected folders like Documents, WhatsApp Media, or Screenshots. And you can set one-way backup for specific folders so they stay safe in the cloud. This means if your phone breaks or you switch devices, your files are still in your Mega Cloud Drive. Number 3. File management and streaming. Inside the app, you can upload, search, download, rename, move, and delete files, just like a normal file manager. There's a built-in media player, so you can stream videos, listen to audio, and preview documents directly from the cloud without downloading everything to your phone. Number 4. Secure sharing and collaboration. Every file and folder has its own encrypted link. You can share a link with or without the decryption key, set permissions like View Only or Can Edit, and revoke access whenever you want. For extra security, you can send the link and the decryption key separately, so even if the link leaks, nobody can open the file without the key. Number 5. Secure chat and meetings. Mega also includes Mega Chat, which gives you encrypted text messages, voice, and video calls. If you're sharing private files with a client or friend, you can keep the entire conversation inside one encrypted ecosystem instead of mixing WhatsApp, email, and random links. Number 6. Extra tools: VPN and Password Manager. On paid plans, Mega adds Mega VPN for private browsing and Mega Pass, a password manager to store your logins securely across devices. This turns Mega from just storage into a full privacy toolbox. Let's be honest, no app is perfect. Here are the main pros and cons based on my experience. Pros: strong privacy, zero-knowledge end-to-end encryption. Even Mega can't read your files. Generous free tier, around 20 gigabytes free, which is more than many competitors. Automatic backups, easy camera and folder backup with options for one-way sync. One toolkit, storage, file sharing, chat, meetings, VPN, and password manager under one ecosystem for paid users. Let's discuss about a few cons you should always remember. There is a password risk. If you forget your password and don't have a recovery key, Mega cannot unlock your data. That's great for privacy, but dangerous if you're careless. Free users have limited transfer quota and storage. Heavy users may hit those limits and need a paid plan. So, should you download Mega? As I am also using, and if you also care about privacy, want a free 25 gigabyte encrypted backup, and like the idea of controlling exactly who can access your files, Mega is absolutely a must-download app to try on your phone. Just make sure you use a strong password, save your recovery information, and organize your folders from day one so your cloud doesn't become a mess. If you want me to compare Mega with Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox in a future video, tell me in the comments which one you're using right now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in the surprise and next video.